gut-directed hypnotherapy for IBS. This is one of those things that when somebody has tried to see a doctor and they've gotten treatment and they have not gotten the results, then it's time to look at the mind part of the mind-body connection. And for something like IBS, hypnotherapy has been recognized to be effective enough that it's often a go-to in the British National Health System. And there are also studies that show that it can be 70 to 80% effective in relieving pain and bloating and other symptoms related to IBS. And one of the ways that I think this works is that we have our brain-based nervous systems. There are neurons in our brain. There are nerves that run throughout our body. But there are also nerves in the enteric nervous system that are connected to each other in a brain-like way. And in fact, there's so many nerves inside of your neurons inside of your gut that it's equivalent to the number of neurons inside of the brain of a house cat. So it's basically you got your own brain there. And like this mind, right, that mind can also have stress and anxiety, and it can have trauma stuck inside of it. And so when we're doing gut-directed hypnotherapy, we treat that as part of the unconscious mind. We can actually offer suggestions to your gut to relax, to let go of things, and we can discover what those traumas might be that are lodged in there. We can offer it suggestions for relaxation. We can offer it suggestions for, instead of pain, for feeling comfortable, for feeling confident, right? We want that part of you to feel all sorts of good, positive feelings and emotions. And when we're doing that inside of hypnotherapy is basically talking to the unconscious mind. It's bypassing the conscious mind. And we consider that part of our nervous system in hypnotherapy to be something that we can directly communicate with and offer it suggestions to act this way instead of that way, to act in a way of relaxation, to act in a way of having that pain fade into the background, of letting go of that gas, of letting go of the bloating and things like that, and of smoothly and easily digesting your food, and again, doing it kind of in the background so that the symptoms that are now bothering you just also begin to fade into the background as well, and to provide suggestions for long-term confidence or relaxation of the gut, and other suggestions as necessary, because each client is different, and each client will, based on their own beliefs and values and personal history and goals, they might need slightly different suggestions based on how they got to the current place. So when I'm working with somebody, we start with a consultation session, and we get the background on how long has this been going on, what are the symptoms like, how often they happen, what things tend to make things better, what makes things worse, anything that might be contributing to it, and basically gather all this information so I can give you appropriate suggestions for your situation and for your guts and for any part of your nervous system that could use some relaxation, some calming down, and some returning to normal. And if that sounds like something that you'd like some help with, then I'd be happy to have that conversation with you and see how I can help you. Again, I'm Dan Ross, and I look forward to helping you out with this or any other anxiety-related issues you might have.